All right, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to reroute the audio from your clips. So in the case of these two clips, if we preview them,
Speeding.
Oh,
it has 4 active channels of audio, but really we only want 1 and 2. And we can look at the metadata and it has 8 channels. So if you brought that down into your timeline, you'd have 8 channels taking up space. And then if we look on the B cam here, we just have active audio on 3 and 4, and the rest are also blank. And it's another 8 channel file. So if we want to take care of this before we even add the media down into our timeline, we can do that in the media pool here. So let's take camera A and we'll choose clip attributes. And under the audio tab, we have all the audio channels laid out. What we want to do is make a new stereo track. It could be mono as well, but since there's 2 channels, I'll make it a stereo and hit add. And now we have a new track down here, and we want channel 1 and channel 2 to feed the left and right. And then you can pretty much delete the rest of these channels because we don't need them. And we'll hit OK, and we'll do the same thing with B cam. So this time we want to make another stereo track, except we want to feed 3 and 4 into that track. So let's go embedded channel 3 to the left, embedded channel 4 to the right, and then we can delete the rest of these. Save that. And now if we go back to camera B, you can see by the metadata in the bottom corner, it's a 2 channel. If we hit play, we now have the 3 and 4 audio coming out of 1 and 2. And if we do the same thing for A cam, we now just have the 2 channels. So then when we add any of these clips down into our timeline, it's just going to be that single pair of 2 channel audio instead of 8 channels of empty audio. And that's how you can reroute the audio from the clip before you start your edit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.